children, today we have learnt about rainy season in our class. So shall we revise it once? Come on, rainy season. And things we see during the rainy season are rain, grey clouds, thunderstorm, rainbow. Now children, the things we use during rainy season. Yes, raincoats. Children wear colorful raincoats, isn't it? Oh, we carry colorful umbrellas. Children use gumboots in rainy season. Now children, these are the creatures that we usually see during the rainy season. Earthworm, snail, frog. These are the fruits which we get during the rainy season. Plums and cherries. Oh, this is something which we get during the rainy season. Corn. And children love to play in water and they make paper boats. Yes, children, we float paper boats in the water. Children love to play in puddles. Okay, children, now we will read aloud the spellings of these words. First one, corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Please repeat. Then frog. F-R-O-G, frog. The next one is raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Yes. The next one is umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Snail. Next one is snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. And the last one, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. So children, now take your practice page. Yes, and write today's date. Today's date is 17.08.21. Now here we have to see the picture and write its name. So the first picture is of a corn. So write the spelling C-O-R-N, corn. The next picture is of a frog. Write the spelling. Say and write F-R-O-G, frog. The third picture is of a raincoat. Raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T. Raincoat. Children, you may color these pictures. Now we will move to the next writing page. Yeah. Write today's date and write the heading, rainy season. We are writing the first word, corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Write again, corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Once more, corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Children, you will repeat the spelling of corn on the next two lines. Now, leave one line and write the next spelling, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Children, write it on the next two lines also. Children, I hope you say and write. Now, the next spelling is raincoat. R-A-I-N, raincoat. C-O-A-T, coat. Raincoat. R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Children, same way you have to write it on the next two lines. Thank you.